Jim McLaren. Today is Friday, October the 4th, 2019. Today we'll look at these Fujiya. They're screw pliers. They're 175 millimeters long, and they bought them off Amazon for about $40 Canadian. And I ordered them. It took about 8 business days to get here right from Japan. I was very happy with the delivery. Come very quickly. Here's the website down here, and this company's been in business since 1923. Anyway, it shows pictures of what this pliers can do here. Various pictures here. We can take a look at them today. Now they're about 175 millimeters long, about 6 3/4 inches long, and they got a nice handle on them there. They're very thin too. I noticed the thinness of them. And here's the actual, there you can see, Fujiya SV28175, made Japan, and I think the number at the bottom is 1J2. Now they got 2 sets of jaws here and in the end here. Very nicely done here. And they're similar to the pliers, similar jaws to the pliers. I'll see if you can see the difference here. Similar to the pliers, and these are the smaller versions of the pliers here. So similar design to the pliers. Now, these are nicely done. They're very quality and nice in the hand here. They've got that unique feature of them here. And you can see where the jaws connect here. You can see through them here, right about here. So now we're going to do a few things here. There's a very small, it's a round head. And grab that. That's coming out here. Now this is a severely damaged screw. Grab that too. Out of camera here. Now it's grabbing it, and it'll eventually grab it in the centerpiece of the jaws here. Get that out a little bit more, so it'll start grabbing in the centerpiece. Now I'm starting to grab the other one, the center jaws. We'll take it apart and I'll show you here. So now it's starting. Now on the side here, these side ones come in, so I get a bolt like this. So you grab it here. So it's got 2 sets of jaws here. That works very nice. So I'll take this out and I'll show you what I mean. Now you normally catch out this here, these pliers here, the end of the pliers here. Take it out. Then once you get past that, then you're getting the other set of jaws, which will work very well. So nice set of pliers here, screw extraction pliers from Fujiya, and comfortable in the hand, nice and slender, well built, made in Japan. Take a look at the jaws again. The side jaws here. Very nice set of pliers here. About $40 Canadian, and they come very quickly. About 8 business days, which is very quick. We also bought these These pliers, they're called long flat nose pliers. And they got a unique end to them here, flat nose. So we'll take a look at these in the next review here. I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. If you've watched this for the first time today, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video today. Have a great day, people.